Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WizTree if it's not opening on your Windows computer. If WizTree won't launch, closes immediately, or doesn't respond when you try to start it, there are several simple solutions you can try. So let's get started. First, restart your computer, and then try opening WizTree again. Sometimes temporary Windows issues or background processes can prevent an application from launching properly, and a simple restart is enough to fix the problem. Next, right-click the WizTree shortcut and choose Run as administrator. Since WizTree needs access to your drives to perform fast scans, running it with administrator privileges can resolve startup issues. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to continue. If WizTree still won't open, check Task Manager to see if it's already running in the background. If you find a WizTree process, select it and click End Task, then try launching the application again. A frozen background process can sometimes prevent a new instance from opening. Another solution is to download and install the latest version of WizTree from the official website. Updating or reinstalling the program can replace missing or corrupted files that may be causing the issue. Finally, make sure your Windows system is fully updated and that your antivirus software isn't blocking WizTree from running. If necessary, add WizTree to your antivirus allow list and then try opening it again. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix WizTree when it's not opening on your Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.